Hi, this is Claire from Elvia Marketing, www.elviamarketing.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Twitter profile. But the first thing you're going to need to do is go to www.twitter.com. Once you've got to the Twitter landing page, you're looking for this section over here which says New to Twitter, Sign Up. So you're going to go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to enter my full name. I'm going to enter an email address. So it needs to be an email address that you've not used before, because Twitter will recognize your email address if you have used one before, or if you've got a profile already. So then you're going to create a password, and it's going to say sign up for Twitter. So you're just going to click on that box just there. Then you need to go ahead and choose your username. Your username can be your own name, or it can be the name of your business. So I think I'm going to go for Marketing Works 25, just for example. Look, it's come up and it says that name is already taken. Sometimes you have to play around a little bit and find a name that isn't taken. So it might be that you need to add, for example, an underscore to the end of your username. So I'm going to go ahead and go for the number 8. Obviously, if you're adding your name, then there might be other people with the same name as you already on Twitter. So sometimes you do need to play around with the username and find something that works for you, but which also represents yourself and also represents your business as well. I've created my username and I'm going to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to click on this Let's Go button. And Twitter's going to ask you to pick a few different hobbies or interests. So I'm going to go for some music, maybe some news as well, and I think I'm going to go for some style. So you can either take the photo using your webcam, or you can upload the photo. So again, the photo can be a photo of yourself, or if you want it to be, it can be a photo of your business logo or a photo of one of your products. Have a little look here. Maybe I'll try and find just a stock picture. Oh no, we'll go for that one. Hello, there we go. So that's my profile picture at the moment, so I can position it wherever I want. So I'm going to make sure it's in the middle and just click on the apply button just here. Okay, so now you've added your profile picture, you can click on this continue icon right here. Now you need to find some people that you know. So you can either upload your own Outlook contacts, or you can use a different email service. It's up to you. If you did have contacts in your email service, it would ask you if you wanted to add them there. So we've got people that you know down here. Here we've got follow 20 and continue. So we're just going to click on that one. So it's going to follow all of them. And we're going to continue. And then it's set up Twitter for us. Twitter's really good for connecting with people. It's good for connecting with your friends. Also connecting with other businesses in the local area. So for example, I'm going to search for my business, which is Elvia Marketing, and I'm on Twitter. So I'm going to search in this box up here, find Elvia Marketing, and click on that. So it's going to bring it up, and I'm going to follow myself up there. So if you click on the home icon up here, this is going to bring up your Twitter feed. You've also got your notifications up here, and that is going to be telling you who's followed you. So really exciting. Lady Gaga has followed me. I'm guessing that she has automated following. But if someone follows you or if they tweet you, you will know about it in this notification section just here. So then if you go along your messages, again, if someone sends you a direct message, that's where the messages will show up, just in here, your DMs as they are called. And you've also got the Discover section just here. So this icon, Discover, basically tells you what is going on around the world. So then if you look down here in this section, you've also got trends. And these hashtags here will be telling you what's trending on Twitter. So you can also send a tweet. So I'm going to send a tweet. So hello world. Hello world, this is my first tweet. Sometimes it's good if you haven't actually made any connections on Twitter yet. Sometimes it's good to find those in your local area. So for example, if you were to find someone in the same business as you, again I'm going to find myself, so I'm going to tweet this to Elvia Marketing. Hello world, this is my first tweet. How is your day today at Elvia Marketing? Now you can also add hashtags to your tweets as well. And what they'll do is that when people are looking for certain trends or certain words, your tweet will show up if you've added a hashtag. So for example, you could add something like hashtag marketing, hashtag Tuesday, let's say, hashtag England, hashtag football, hashtag tanning if you're a beauty salon. hashtag cats if you're a cattery, let's say, hashtag dogs if you're a dog walking service. You're adding hashtags which relate to your business. And then you can go ahead and tweet if you want to. So now my tweet's been sent. And you can find your tweet in your profile up here. So if you click on the button up here, and if you click on view profile, it will show you the tweets that you've sent. So another thing that you can also do is edit your profile and add a header photo or a banner. So again, you can add whatever it is that tells the world who you are, or perhaps it's just a nice inspirational photo. Maybe it's some cakes. Let's go for some cakes. You know, you can add whatever you want, and again you can reposition it and scale it. And as you can see, this image here is a little bit blurry, so you need to make sure that your image is of a high enough resolution to fit in your header space. So now I've created my header, got a header photo, so I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. I've got my tweets here so I can start tweeting, so it's quite quick to get up and running and start tweeting. So if you go back to the home feed over here, and when you log into Twitter, this will show you who's been tweeting and what they've been tweeting about. If you are looking for a certain person, you can use the search Twitter button up here. So again, if I go to my own profile, you can then search for that person and you can see what they've been tweeting about. So for example, tonight I've been tweeting about Hearts Hour. You can also search for a certain term. So for example, I'm going to search hashtag snow. So again, hashtag snow, and you can see who's tweeting about snow. So one thing that you can actually do is set up lists. If you go back over here to your profile, there's a little icon here that says lists. You can actually create a list of all the people that you want to follow. So look, people I follow, and then you can either make it public or private, it's up to you. Save the list, and then you can find people to add to your list, and you can go ahead and add people that you know to your list, and that way you can always keep in touch with them. So that is how to set up a Twitter profile. If you want to log out of Twitter, you just need to click on your profile and click on the log out button just here. So I hope that you enjoyed this how to set up your Twitter profile tutorial. For more tips, please visit my website www.elviamarketing.co.uk.